In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales performance in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you want to keep an eye on your sales metrics, the first step is to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar menu. You'll see an option labeled Insights. Go ahead and click on that. Now that we're in the Insights section, we need to set up a goal to help monitor sales performance. You can create a goal by clicking on the Create button located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click that, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select Goals. This is where we start customizing what you want to track. You'll be prompted to select the entity and type of goal you want to set. If you're interested in keeping tabs on your revenue or the deals that have been successfully closed, you should choose Deals. Alternatively, if you want to track activities like calls, emails, or meetings, then select Activities. Next, it's time to pick a specific goal type. If you're tracking deals, you might want to go for won deals. On the other hand, if you're focusing on communication and outreach, consider selecting completed activities. It's all about what aspects of performance you wish to measure. After you've made your selection, you'll need to assign the goal to a specific sales representative. In the Assign field, select User, and then choose the particular sales rep you want to monitor. This will allow you to see individual progress, making your tracking more effective. Now let's set the details of the goal. It's important to enter a descriptive name for your goal, something that clearly defines what you're measuring. Next, input your target value. This could be a deal count if you're tracking sales or an activity number for engagement metrics. Additionally, you should pick a time frame for tracking this goal. You can set it on a weekly, monthly, or whichever basis makes sense for your sales cycle. Just remember, setting a clear time frame helps keep your goals sharp and focused. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, look for the Save button and give it a click. This action will prompt Pipedrive to automatically start calculating and updating the sales rep's progress toward the goal you just created. And voila, you've successfully set up tracking for sales performance in Pipedrive. Whenever you want to review how a rep is doing, you can easily go back to the Insights section and see their progress in real time. That's it for today's tutorial on tracking sales performance in Pipedrive. It's a powerful way to boost accountability and drive results in your sales team. If you found this information helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.